excess weight. I've been there. Are you feeling low? Has your self-esteem gone? Has your confidence gone? Are you experiencing body anxieties? I have been there. This is the more reason why I am telling you that I fight obesity with passion. Do you wake up in the morning feeling so low, feeling so tired as if you have already worked, and that's just in the morning? I have been there. Do not get to the stage where I got to. I've got good news for you. Come on 26th of January 2018 and come and join the batch that is starting the Lose to Win Challenge, where you are expected in that 90 days to lose that excess weight. It worked for me, and I know it will definitely work for you. Just look at this. We believe in feeling good now.